Would you believe me if I told you this bike is fully automatic? Yes, take a look at this. It's a sport bike. It's fully automatic. You twist the throttle and then you go. How simple is that? Look at those headlights. That's a sport bike headlight. And it's fully automatic. Where can you get one of these? Well, let's talk about the features. In the front, you've got 120 by 70 by 14 inch wheels, and in the rear, they're 140 60 by 14 inch wheels. Dimensions assembled in total, you're at 82 by 29 by 45 inches. That's a full-size bike, if you ask me. Take a look at that exhaust. That's a carbon fiber tip exhaust. You got a mud guard in the back. You got your license plate holder with your license plate lights, your signal lights, your dual rear shocks. Talk about the motor. All right, it's a 200cc motor. Yes, that'll get you about a top speed of 75 miles per hour. It is a two-seater bike, so you got room for a passenger, and it's got the passenger foot pegs as well. Moving into the dash. All right, let's turn over the key. Show you how you got your digital speedometer with your RPM gauge. You got your high beams, low beams, signal lights, your horn. Yep, that's the horn. In your digital speedometer, you'll see your speed, your mileage, your fuel gauge, your time. You got hazard lights. In case you're ever in an emergency, you can turn on all four lights. And obviously, let's turn it on. Listen to that bike. Be careful on twisting the throttle too much, because like I said, it's fully automatic. If you twist that, it's going to go. So here it is. That's the Venom X19. It's a 200cc fully automatic motorcycle. Call us now.